Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vana token. Name of the token is Vana, ticker symbol is also Vana. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 16th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Vana token and the project and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, what is Vana? Well, decentralized network for users' own data. Short for Nirvana, so I guess it's Vana, you would pronounce it. I guess Nirvana, some people pronounce the band Nirvana. I guess I'm going to pronounce it Vana, I guess, from now on. Because it is short for Nirvana in reference to liberating and setting data free. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 16th. At 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would go into the trade section, and when this token gets listed, of course, you'd first of all have to fund your account with USDT. Then you go into the trade section, search Vana, V-A-N-A, and then simply just buy the token. You will have to wait till it gets listed. In the meantime, if you follow the Twitter that I'm going to put up right in the corner of the screen here, @WithVana, you'll be able to see more listings pop up. Right now, they're talking about Binance Launchpool that it's on. They have a Bybit central exchange coming soon. I mean, if one central exchange is not available in your area and you don't want to use that one for some reason or whatever, there's going to be many more that are going to pop up here in the on their Twitter here. So that's why it's a good idea to follow the socials. And so, yeah, there's a total supply here of 120 million Vana tokens. The utility of the token is for network security, governance, voting, transaction fees, data DAO participation, data access currency. So we have 66.9% going to the ecosystem and community, and 28.5% going to the float and token generation events. But basically, in a nutshell, the token distribution is 44% going to the community, 22.9% ecosystem, 18.8% going to core contributors, and 14.2% going to investors. So they do have a web page you could go to, vana.org, and if you go down to the very bottom of the page, you can find a GitHub, their Twitter, Discord group. You can join the discussion over there. There's the Open Data Labs Vana Foundation. Those links are there. Contact, privacy, terms, press, blog, frequently asked questions, start a data DAO, run a validator, accelerator, and data hub. So all sorts of links all over the page here. So what is Vana? Vana turns data into new asset class to power decentralized AI. Vana is the first network for user-owned data. It transforms how data is owned, shared, and monetized. The Vana L1 enables users to pool their data in data DAOs while maintaining control and privacy. Developers can leverage these decentralized datasets to create next-generation applications such as AI models and data-driven dApps. So why? Well, the problem in today's data economy, tech giants profit from the data you generate, while you get nothing in return. Reddit, for example, earns $200 million from selling user-generated content as AI training data. Worse, you have no say in how your data is used or who benefits from it. Now, the solution. Vana changes that by giving you ownership of your data. Through data DAOs, you can contribute, tokenize, and share your data. You decide how it is used. You get rewarded for it. With Vana, data becomes an asset that empowers you, whether it's used in AI development or other applications. Here's how. Number 1, contribute data. Users contribute data to data DAOs. Contributions range from social media data to IoT and sensor data, all securely stored, encrypted off-chain. Tokenize. Validated data is tokenized, enabling secure data storage across different decentralized applications, particularly for AI model development. Number 3, earn and govern. Users gain governance rights in different data DAOs, influencing decisions about data use and getting a share of profit when data is used. Vana leverages blockchain to ensure transparency, security, and decentralization in how data is owned and shared. A quick example, imagine you've been tracking your health data for years. You contribute your data to the data liquidity pool on Vana. It gets tokenized, verified, and becomes a valuable asset in the hands of the AI developers who use it to build life-saving medical models. All these models grow and generate revenue. You earn a share of that. Finally, gaining financial returns for the data that you've been giving away for free. Plus, you're part of a decision-making process, helping shape the benefits used in the future for healthcare. Now, the benefits is data ownership, user-maintained ownership of their data with full control over how it's used in applications. Tokenized data. Data is transformed into verifiable, tradable assets for decentralized AI and data-driven applications. Privacy and security. Zero-knowledge proofs and trusted execution environments ensure the privacy and security of the data contribution. Decentralized governance. Participants influence ecosystem rules and data pool operations through on-chain voting. Take control of your data. Vana is more than just a platform. It's a movement to help you take back control of your data and become a key player in the digital economy. By joining Vana, you gain ownership, governance, and return from the data you generate every day. Now, I have not said data more times in a couple minutes in my entire life than I just did. But go check out Vana. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.